Oh, I'm Eric Bezanson, Technical Product Manager for the Squid Ink JetStream CIJ printer. Today we're going to spotlight our new JetWash Station, which automatically cleans the printhead for this JetStream printer. The JetWash Station can be mounted to our new carts on the side here. And if you have an older cart, you can purchase a kit that'll allow you to mount it securely, as you see here. The JetWash Station will be used to clean the printhead about once a week. Some users may need to use it a little bit more, some users may need to use it a little bit less, but generally speaking, we recommend once a week. To set the wash and dry cycle for the JetWash, go to Settings, Maintenance, hit the Wash Head button, and here you can set your wash and dry time. From production, it comes 60 seconds each. To initiate a wash from the home screen, press this button here, and then you can choose to either only wash, only dry, or both. And you may also check this box to run a backflush process. If you choose to use the JetWash to perform a backflush maintenance action, you can verify that it's working properly by looking through the window here and noticing the fluid getting carried back. The value of the JetWash Station is to automate the process of maintaining the printhead so that downtime can be reduced. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Eric Bezanson. If you have any questions or if you want to do some more research on the JetWash, you can find it at www.squidink.com.